In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a PDF in Google Drive. Fix today here, let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to drive.google.com. Make sure you are already signed into your Google account so you can access your files. Once your Google Drive dashboard loads, locate the PDF file you want to rotate. Double-click the PDF to open the preview window. At the top center of the black preview bar, click the Open with drop-down menu. From the list, select DocHub Sign and Edit PDF. If you do not see DocHub in the list, click Connect More Apps first. A new window for the Google Workspace Marketplace will appear. In the search bar, type DocHub and press Enter. Find the DocHub app from the results, then click Install. Follow the prompts to connect the application to your Google account. After installation, return to your PDF preview and open the file again using DocHub. If prompted, allow the requested permissions so the document workspace can fully load. Once the PDF opens inside DocHub, move to the top right corner of the toolbar and click the Page Controls icon. This will open the Page Management sidebar. Inside the sidebar, hover your mouse over Actions, then move to Rotate Pages. You'll now see several rotation options available. You can rotate the PDF 90 degrees clockwise, 90 degrees counterclockwise, or rotate it 180 degrees, depending on the orientation you need. Click the rotation option that matches how you want the document to appear. The PDF pages will immediately update inside the editor. Once the orientation looks correct, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the download or export icon. It looks like an arrow pointing downward into a bracket. Pop-up export menu will appear. If you want to save the rotated PDF directly to your computer first, click the computer option, then select download. Choose a location on your file system where you want to save the updated PDF. You can then upload the corrected PDF back into Google Drive if needed. You can also save the rotated version directly back into Google Drive. Inside the export menu, click the Google Drive tab. Choose Update Existing with Revision if you want to overwrite the original file, or select Create New File if you want to keep the original PDF unchanged. Finally, click the blue Export to Drive button to permanently save the rotated PDF. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.